Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. This video I will show you beautiful room decorations. I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the lights and all, the roof, the wall and the bed with wooden theme brown color, and the bed also. And so you can see a beautiful kitchen. You can see the cupboards and all, the silver color cupboards, the lights, the roof, the wall, the tables and all. And so you can see the it is a little bit white color and mixed with any color. You can see the decoration is very beautiful, modern room. And so you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the frame and all, and the bed, the wall, the roof and all. Very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. And so you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the roof, the wall and all, and the floor. Very beautiful wooden theme, looking very good. And so you can see the wall, the roof. You can see maybe LED lights are there for decoration and all. Very beautiful decoration, modern room. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the floor, the bed and all. Very beautiful decoration. Aside you can see the lights and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, the walls and all, the blue color, the frame, the side lamps and all. Very beautiful decoration. And it's also the it's maybe a bathroom. It is a bathroom. The mirrors backside you can see the white color lights. Very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see the floor, wooden theme floor, the mirrors. You can see the bed. You can see the black color wall and all. Very beautiful decoration, modern decoration. And this also you can see the wall, the side wooden theme, the up lights and all, and the floor, the bed. Very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the wall and the roof, lights and all. Very beautiful. And the balloons you can see, very beautiful. And this also you can see the lights and all, the floor, the wall, the side wall, white color. Very beautiful decoration, very good. And also you can see the white color wall, the roof. You can see the floor, wooden thin floor. Very beautiful decoration. And this also very beautiful. You can see the walls and the lights and all, and the floor white color. Very beautiful decoration, modern room decoration. And this also very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration and the lights, the ring lights, the roof lights at the side. Very beautiful decoration and all. And this also you can see the wall, the roof, the floor and the bed and all. Very beautiful decoration, very good. And this also you can see the wall, the roof, silver color wall and the roof, also the floor, also very beautiful decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video. Look at the notifications first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me.